Welcome back, everybody. We've got another question here from Facebook. This one's terrific. It says, Vinny, I'm not sure I understand what you mean when you say working with a client organically. When would you say hypnosis is not organic? I love this question. When would you say hypnosis is not organic? So we're gonna define terms, then we're gonna make an important conceptual distinction. I want to let you know on the front end, I'm gonna review a traditional model of hypnosis, just to contextualize my point, make it really, really clear. I also want to point out, I'm not criticizing that model. Okay, some of that stuff is better than most interventions on the planet for a lot of stuff. We have good data on this, so I'm just talking about that to make a point about how we can do it faster. Okay, that's all this is. So let's dive in. Important term. We're going to define terms. Number one, organic just means naturally occurring. Hypnosis itself is a naturally occurring phenomenon. I think we all agree with that. Let's take a look at the traditional model, though, so we can start to build the context for the conceptual distinction. So if hypnosis is a naturally occurring phenomena, and we look at the traditional model, so hypnotists might prepare. They might do prep work before a session. They're preparing for something that's going to occur naturally. Then they're going to greet somebody, right? And then they're going to build rapport. And they're going to do a pre-talk. And we can play with like the semantics there, like the before talk, right? And in the pre-talk, what they're going to be doing is telling that person what to expect for something that's going to occur naturally. And then they're going to use an induction or a technique to try to create that. They're going to deepen it and walk them through a journey of some kind. Sometimes they read a script at them. And this is where we start targeting the symptom most often. And then they, kind of bring them back. So again, there's nothing wrong with that. But when we look at that, it does appear to be a bit manufactured, right? There's a bunch of things you've got to walk somebody through to create a state that just happens all the time, right? It's as natural as breathing, thinking, sleep, it just happens. So what I would rather do is allow it to happen, allow trance to just happen, and then we just catch it, right? This is what I'm teaching folks to do, and it's just really fast. It's just a faster way to do it. You don't have to deal with any of that stuff because it's just going to happen naturally. So I think this is what I mean by working organically with clients. And then the other advantage here is you just get to sit there and marvel at the awesome power of that person's unconscious mind in front of you. I mean, it'll make distinctions. The person will understand themselves differently, understand the nature of the problem differently. Beyond that, it's a lot less effort for you. You don't have to do all this work, and you really get to just be present with that client. Allow your natural curiosity to help them do what they need to do. And I think the other advantage here that I want to highlight is that person knows they did the work, right? And they know something powerful happened. There's no question. But the powerful thing that happened wasn't like I couldn't open my eyes, or I couldn't move my hand, or some type of a catalepsy, which is cool. That stuff's awesome. I love it. But the powerful thing that happened was there's this shift in their inner reality, or the problem just goes away, and they're like, that was really remarkable. And I think this is important in some sense because when I have a client leave, I want them to know that they did the work, they generated the understandings. This is very empowering for them. And I think that's a place I want them to be. I don't want in their mind like, yeah, this hypnotist did this to me, right? This is something he showed me how to use my mind in a different way. We had an experience, sure. He helped facilitate some of that, but they know they did it, right? That's a very powerful place for them to be. That changes someone's entire life, So this is what I mean by working organically. I'm trying to remove myself from the process as much as possible. I just want their unconscious mind to do the work, and I get to just enjoy it with them. It's pretty cool. So yeah, thank you for your question. I know it's a bit out there. If you have more follow-ups, please fire away. Take care, everybody.